The following video sequence will demonstrate the aircraft noise metric number of events above, also known as NA. On the right, 3 separate aircraft will be shown consecutively taking off and beginning their flights. The multicolored bubbles surrounding the aircraft as they travel will represent the intensity of the sound which reaches the ground in all directions. For an observer standing at the pink bullseye, the approximate sound events will be played through your speakers. The sound level for this observer will also be graphed on the left with a moving bar representing the current moment in time. The number of events above noise metric is commonly referred to as NA. In this example, the threshold is 70 decibels. This is referred to as number of events above 70, or NA70. Over a specific period of time, the number of aircraft events which have an Lmax that meets or exceeds the NA70 threshold are counted towards the number of events above. Since 2 out of the 3 aircraft events reached 70 decibels, the number of events above 70 in this example is 2.